Welcome home to 1127 22nd Avenue, Southeast Rio Rancho. This phenomenal home is situated on a half an acre with phenomenal city and mountain views. That you can see from about every window in this entire house. So let's take a look around. What better place to start than right here, the heart of the home, the kitchen. And what a kitchen this is, truly a chef's dream. As you can see, we have the espresso cabinetry, we have stainless steel appliances, all KitchenAid, top of the line, all throughout. We're gonna go over here to the owner's suite, and what a sweet suite it is. You got tons of space for all your big furniture. You have patio access. So the reason this is my favorite part of this house is how beautiful this bathroom is done. You have a nice soaking tub here. You have dual vanities, and then even a little makeup mirror right there. As we go this way, we have a wraparound walk-in shower. And my goodness, it is huge in here, right? You got tons of space, you got a bench. Love the shower head as well. Private commode. Again, just tons of room in here as well. You also have this picture window, beautiful views of the mountains. And then on the other side of the bathroom, we have this department store style closet. This is absolutely huge, can fit all your needs. All right, so probably my second favorite part about this house is the rest of the bedrooms, right? And so these bedrooms are special in the fact that each of them have their own bathroom. So not only do they have tons of space, but they also have their own bathroom with closets attached. Now this is a very, very open floor plan, but yet each space is individually defined, which I love about this house. Right now we're in the living room, but just off of the living room, we have this phenomenal flex space that can be used for whatever your heart desires. And off of the patio, we have this spiral staircase that leads up to a private deck, again, with just the best mountain views you can ever see. All right, and here we are upstairs at this private deck, and I think what a better place to end the video. Guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in to the Simply Real Estate channel. Please like, subscribe, share, tell all your friends about us, and again, check out the Simply Real Estate podcast found on all your favorite streaming channels. I look forward to seeing you guys next time.